Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to design and animate a realistic 3D bowling scene in PowerPoint. Whether you are working on a presentation or just want to impress your audience with something different, this step-by-step guide will take your skill to the next level. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. First, let's set the background. Right-click anywhere on the slide. Go to Format Background and choose a color you like. Next, we will create the bowling lane. Insert a rectangle shape and set its dimension to 17 cm by 33 cm. Duplicate the rectangle, go to Shape Format, apply a gradient with this setting. Stop 1, select this color. Position 10%, transparency 70%. Stop 2, change the color position to 90%. Stop 3, select this color. Position 41%. Stop 4. Choose black color. Position 63%. Also select this direction. Select second rectangle. Apply a picture or texture fill and select a wooden texture. Select both shape. Remove the outline. Align them to the middle and group them. Then go to 3D rotation. Select perceptive relax moderately and adjust this value. X to 90, Y 0, Z 90, perceptive 60 and distance from ground minus 118. This gives our lane a realistic 3D look. Click on selection pin and unhide the group. Now let's create the bowling pin. Insert an oval shape with the size 1.8 cm by 1.8 cm. Duplicate it and resize the second oval to 1 cm by 1 cm. Duplicate it twice more and set the size to 0.85 cm and 0.85 cm respectively. Use shape fill to color the ovals red and white. Remove the outline for all shape. Next, add a 3D rotation using the off-axis to top from preset. Then apply this setting. For the first oval, from top bevel, select cool slant, width 33 pt and height 50 pt. From bottom bevel, select circle, width 18 pt, height 50 pt. For the second oval, top bevel, select circle, width 17 pt, height 16 pt. From bottom bevel, select angle, width 4 pt, height 44 pt. For the third oval, from top bevel, select angle, width 4 pt, height 8 pt. For the fourth oval, bottom bevel, select angle, width 1 pt, height 8 pt. Let's increase the distance from the ground 20, 3 and 63. Select all. Choose no rotation. Align the ovals to the center and middle. Then group them. Apply plastic material from materials. And add a outer shadow. Duplicate the pins and distribute the copies vertically. Create 3 more sets and group them in this way. Arranging them in the middle and horizontally to create a bowling pin triangle. Separate them and regroup them for precise alignment. Then go to 3D rotation and adjust this value X 72, Y 295, Z 285. Then go to Insert, click on Picture, select this and insert it. Go to Format Picture, click on Reflection, select this. Go to Animation, select Line from Motion Path and adjust the animation settings. Click on Timing, select Start with Previous. Delay 3 seconds. Duration 1 second fast. Then click on Effect, set Smooth Start and Smooth End to 0 and select Hide After Animation. Now go to Add Animation, add a Grow and Shrink animation to the ball. Set the timing to start with previous, delay 3 seconds and duration 0.5 seconds. Click on Effect, adjust the custom size to 80% for a realistic rolling effect, then click Enter. Now let's animate the pins. Duplicate the pin set and recolor it from Shape Fill. Change the group name, White. Select this, ungroup the pins and select each pin and drag them up to set them. Then unhide this group. Now select this, go to Animation, apply a fly out animation. Adjust the direction to top left. Click on Animation Pin and set the timing to start after previous. Go to Add Animation, select Spin Animation. Go to Timing, select with previous. Set the duration to 0.5 seconds. Click on Effect, select counterclockwise. Now using the Animation Painter, let's apply the same animation to the remaining 3 to 4 pins. Changing the timing and direction. Go to Format, click on Selection Pin, hide the group. Now click on Slideshow. And there you have it, a fully animated 3D bowling scene created entirely in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative PowerPoint ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.